Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Eka Firdaus. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan tugas UAS grammar. Yang pertama ada article. What are article? The article are two words, a, an, and the. They define whether something is specific or unspecific. There are two types of article. The first, the definite article, the is called the definite article. It defines its noun as something specific, something previously mentioned or noun, something unique, something being identified by the speaker. This is the like. The example, this is the like. This is previously specific like one already known to the readers. And then the indefinite article, an are called the indefinite article. They define their noun as something unspecific, something generic, something mentioned for the first time. This is like. This is purposely unspecific like. Next, noun. What is noun? Noun, a word except a pronoun that identifies a person, place, or thing, or names one of them. The simple definition is a person, a place or thing. Here are some example: person, man, woman, teacher, John, Mary, place, home, office, town, countryside, America, and thing, table, car, banana, money, music, love, dog, monkey, and etc. Next, pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a proper noun or a common noun. Generally, a pronoun takes the place of particular noun. The pronoun refers to the antecedent. A pronoun helps us avoid unnecessary repetition in our writing and speech. In other words, words that can be used instead of a noun are called pronouns. The word pronoun means for a noun. Let's understand pronoun with the help of the example sentence. Look at Mike. Mike is a good boy. And Mike loves study. Mike is good at skating. Instead of Mike, we can use he. Nah, now read the sentence again. Sentence. The first sentence, look at Mike. He is a good boy. Second sentence, he loves to study. He is good at skating. The word he takes the place of Mike and is called pronoun. Next, what is a determine? Determine in grammar. A determine is a word that comes before noun or noun phrase. A determine identifies whether the noun or noun phrase is general or specific. Example of determiner. Let's use the word dog for an example. Dog with determiners. A dog bark. The second sentence, the dog barked. In the first example, we don't know which dog barked. Determine a is general in nature. In the second example, a specific dog barks. The determine the is specific in nature. Next. What is defining relative clause? Defining relative clause gives essential information to define the subject we're talking about. For this reason, there's something called essential relative clause. Because the information they provide is essential to understanding the meaning of the sentence, unlike a non-defining relative clause, we need to know the information included in the defining relative clause in order to make sense of the rest of the sentence. Take a look at this example. People who like books often go to library. In the sentence that like books is the relative clause, it's classed as a defining relative clause because this information is essential for clarifying the meaning of the sentence. If we remove this relative clause, the sentence read like this. People often go to library. The sentence still makes sense grammatically, but the meaning of the sentence itself changed. We need the clause who likes books because it defines the subject, the people that we're talking about without the defining relative clause. The sentence is vague and unclear. Who are these people we're talking about? Next, adjective. What are adjectives? Here are some examples of adjectives in sentence. John is a tall man. New York is a busy city. This is a tasty apple. Now, notice how adjective the shadow words describe man, city, and apple. The words being described are called noun. So adjective describes noun. So definition of adjective adalah is adjective describe noun. What are adverb? Adverb are words that describe verb. In these two examples, the adverb tell us how the verb is performed. We walk quickly. The example, he walked quickly. In this example, walk is the verb and the adverb quickly describes how the verb was done. She talks loudly. Here talks is the verb and adverb loudly describe how the verb is done. Did you notice that both adverb ended ly? Lots of adverb that tell us how the verb is performed and with ly. Not all adverb tell us how a verb is done. Adverb can also tell us when, where, how often, and how much a verb is done. Adverb can also be used with adjective and even other adverb. Next, conjunction. Conjunction definition. Conjunction are very important word used in English. You use them every day. A conjunction is a word that join parts of a sentence, phrase, or other word together. Conjunction are used as a single word or in pairs. Example, and but or are used by themselves, whereas neither, not, either, or are conjunction pairs. Let us now understand the use of different conjunction that we routinely use in our day-to-day communication. For example, for it is used to cite a reason of or purpose. Example, I bought a new bag for my upcoming trip. And then and it connect or adds one thing to another. Example, I love both apple and banana. Apples and bananas. Next, preposition. A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronoun, or phrase to other word within a sentence. They act to connect to the people, object, time, and location of a sentence. Prepositions are usually short words and they are normally placed directly in front of nouns. In some cases, you'll find preposition in front of gerund verb. Example of preposition. In the following sentence, example of preposition have been italicized. As you read, consider how using different preposition or even different types of preposition in place of the example might change in relationship between the rest of the word in the sentence. I prefer to read in the library. He climbed up the ladder to get onto the roof. Please sign your name on the dot line after you read the contract. Next, verb phrase. What is verb phrase? Verb phrase are one of the 8 type of phrase in a sentence. They include the helping verb and main verb in sentence. For example, the author is writing a new book. I must make an in this class. The dog might eat the cake. He was walking the walk today. We got married after college. This is verb phrase. Okay. Begitu saja dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.